Hey guys, Jericho here. Today we are gonna do an unboxing of this Dynamoto motorcycle stand. Very excited about this. Shipped all the way from Australia, and this stand allows you to move your motorcycle around. There are other motorcycle stands out there that allows you to move your motorcycle, but it's not. This one is basically lets you move it or turn it 360 degrees. So let's go and start. When I ordered it, it took them about 2 weeks to ship it. Fix it. Oh. Damn, this thing is heavy. Alright. Man, it's really... There. Alright. That's pretty cool. Oops. That's a lot of wheels. Alright. Nice. There it is. Alright. But look at this. This is pretty clever right here. So this is your main wheel, and then you have this tiny little things right here. I don't know what you call them. But yeah, that's what allows you to basically move it around, like move it in a different direction. It's pretty clever design. The wheel right here. Awesome. There you go. These wheels. Cool. Another one right here. This. Alright, spring with the curb up. So you do like this. You insert like this. Look at that. That's it. Whoa. Pretty awesome.